Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Vishwas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss a multiple choice question, and the question is given in front of you. So this reaction you are observing, the question is what is the major product of this reaction, and in order to find the answer, actually 4 options are provided, one of them is correct. So as usual, I first request you please pause the lecture and try by yourself, because self-evaluation is essential for improvement. So please do it. I believe you have tried by yourself, so let me give you the answer of this problem. See, in such cases I request you student, please read the problem carefully and look at whatever is asked. This molecule is given in front of you, and Raney nickel is given as a reagent, and it have given in presence of methanol. Okay, so actually this is and along with Raney nickel, hydrogen is also, actually Raney nickel contains hydrogen. So this is nothing but a reduction reaction. Okay, and by the way, Raney nickel is, remember this about this reagent, this is highly porous nickel, contains hydrogen adsorbed over it. Okay, so this is that's why it's acting as a reducing agent. So you can take this reagent itself contains hydrogen, adsorb a huge amount of hydrogen. So you can use along with that hydrogen, excess hydrogen gas or not, but it will act. And by the way, if you use directly this Raney nickel for reaction, what will happen after this reaction? The catalyst will be deactivated. Okay, so that's why generally for people prefer to use Raney nickel plus additional hydrogen gas, and in this case methanol act as a solvent. By the way, please remember that Raney nickel is a heterogeneous catalyst, means it's not soluble in any organic solvent except mineral acids. Fine. So this is not soluble, but for catalyst stability, solvent must be oxygen free. So please remember this thing, when actually generally such kind of informations are not mentioned in the question, but please remember this methanol is degassed with nitrogen or argon such that it becomes oxygen free, which helps the Raney nickel for stabilization. Okay, but generally when you do a reaction it doesn't matter that much, but for storage this point is essential. So this is a reducing reagent, and in this case if you look at this reagent molecule, this contains one part, this is thiophenol, and another part is this. So by the way, please look at carefully. This is a sp3, carbon oxygen bond doesn't react with Raney nickel. So this part is stable. Since it doesn't react, this stereochemistry is part, stereocenter is also stable. So question, which one will react? This will react. What is the fate? First of all, since Raney nickel contains lots of hydrogen, and actually this is a nickel hydrogen. So hydrogen adsorbs on this transition metal, what we can expect? In first step it does this is actually de-aromatization. So this de-aromatization process happens. And by the way, such kind of reaction could also be done using palladium charcoal. Okay, by the way, but Raney nickel is preferred because of its low cost nature. Now next step, what happens? This react with nickel and this sulfur is removed. Actually this is reductive desulfurization, means reduction as well as removal of sulfur. And student, I always recommend you that try to write everything as it is. What do I mean by that statement? See, sulfur is removed from this side. So I recommend you just read and write in this way. If you write your problem in this way, your examiner is not going to deduct any marks. Second, if you want to arrange through zigzag form, lots of counting needed. How many carbon, am I missing anything or not in this way? Lots of chance. This I have presented this as a MCQ, but this could be asked a general question. What is the product? And you have to answer. So for that, just write in this fashion that it is not wrong. You will get marks, and time saving point of view, this is very good. Okay, so this is the reaction. Along with that, what is the fate of this nickel? It converted into nickel sulfide. And by the way, please remember, presence of sulfur result in catalyst deactivation. What do I mean by this statement? Actually, this is not part of this section, but still I think you should know. This Raney nickel is actually a heterogeneous catalyst. What do I mean by the statement? So it is not soluble in the reaction medium. It remains in the another phase, and reactant molecule goes and sits on this catalyst bed and perform the reaction. That's why heterogeneous catalyst. So it is heterogeneous catalyst has the biggest advantage of recyclability, means multiple time. Recyclability means multiple time you can use, but when there is sulfur, this thing doesn't happen, because this sulfur reacts with nickel and resulted in this, and this is catalyst deactivation, or you can say catalyst poisoning. Such kind of story you have already heard in case of palladium. Okay, so catalyst poisoning happens in the palladium. But see, for example, this thing could be done using nickel hydrogen or palladium charcoal. Which one you choose? Nickel hydrogen. Why? Because it's cheap, widely available. But compared to that, and relatively less toxic than palladium. Palladium is costly, less available. So that's why this is better. So this is the answer. So which one is given? This one. So B is the answer. By the way, so others are not, because sulfur will not be stable. And see, I have written racemic. Racemic not possible because this part, see, this part is not reactive in presence of Raney nickel. It will not react. And here I have given dehydration. This is not actually a dehydration catalyst. And remember, for dehydration, heating is needed, but no heating is given, so this is not. Okay, so this is the answer. Now question is, how can I solve this question within 30 seconds? I will say less than 30 seconds. Remember, this palladium hydrogen, nickel hydrogen, platinum hydrogen, they are reducing as well as de-aromatizing reagent. Means aromaticity, they added hydrogen to the aromatic molecules. So first thing, hydrogen will be added like this. Second thing, nickel has a special thing that it removes sulfur. So the sulfur will be reacted with nickel, so it removed and it resulted in alkane. So this part. This will not react unaffected. So where racemic not possible, gone. This sulfur they are not possible, gone. Dehydration not possible, gone. Which one left? This. So within less than 30 seconds you can answer the question. Okay. So this is, I believe, some knowledge, some common sense, cool mind. You can solve the question. So what you have learned today about the property of Raney nickel for dearomatization and sulfur removal, which results in catalytic deactivation. So this is, and I thank you everyone for watching this video. If you really like my teaching, please press the like button, share this video and write your opinion on the comment box, and most importantly, please subscribe the channel. And if you really want to support me, then please support through Patreon.